Hi and welcome back to our Tuscan townhouse renovation. We're about to move on to another section of the house, and this is the level 2 landing area. Follow me and we'll go and have a look. Okay, so we'll make our way up to the second level. Follow our stairs up, and as you can see, it's become a bit of a storage area for our tools and paints and everything else. So I've got the door shut only to stop debris from going in. So behind that door is our bathroom. Behind that door is the master bedroom, and that door is the second bedroom. And as you can see, we'll just come up those stairs from there. So what I'm going to do here is patch up all the holes. Some area here that scrape as much of that off as I can, just to get it back to some solid areas, which it should be covered. The floor will end up doing the same as we did in the master bedroom. You can see there's some areas there that the mortars come out in between, so we're just going to patch them up for now. As I said, there's no need to go too drastic. It's just a patch up job. Above the doors to the bedrooms, there's some timber there. I've already tried to find out what's going on there, and as you can see, there's a massive gap between the two bits of timber. But what we're hoping to do is strip these timbers back and maybe just show the timbers like them up, and hopefully I'll come okay. So yeah, this other one's got the same stuff. But yeah, this one could be a bit dodgy. Doesn't sound all that solid, so I'm not sure what I'm going to find once I take all that back. As I said here before, the beams, I'm not sure, they're looking pretty good. I'm not so keen on stripping these back. I'm happy to do them in the bedrooms, but I'll see once I start loosening up all the loose paint. Let's see what we find. So there's always interesting finds. So this is above the door to the second bedroom, and I've had a look. It's all soft, and you can see everything's breaking off, and what's inside I'm not really sure what these are. Some bamboo sticks in there. Maybe the timber was all rotted underneath, and that was the fix. So yeah, so this is going to be a bit of fun, this one. I'm scared to keep on going, but I need to now. I've gone too far to stop. So we might need to put a whole new piece of timber above there. But anyway, I'll show you the master bedroom one. So that's that timber there. It's in pretty good condition. The original nails. So I'd say there's been a bit of moisture because they're all rusted, but anyway. Okay then, so I've taken back, stripped everything off that above the door, above the second bedroom door, because everything was loose and everything was coming apart. I think I've got it to a point where everything above is pretty well solid. We've decided, so we wanted to expose the timber, and this is the timber that was there originally. It's a beautiful piece of timber that's not going to go anywhere soon. So we'll keep that, polish it up, fill the areas that we need to, and strengthen and backfill this part here, and we'll leave that exposed here, and as I said, polish it up and it should look nice. Patch up everything back here again as per normal, and then we can paint paint the rest of it all around. So yep, there you go.
Morning everyone. As you can see, I'm up here putting a lacquer on the beams. Phil sanded these beams back before Christmas, before we had our friends and family over to see us. So we've had a bit of a break and now we're getting back into it. So we're going to clear lacquer these, keep that rustic look like we did in the master bedroom. I'm not going to do any more work to the walls just yet. We need to get the floors levelled up here on the second level, and we also need to get the floors done downstairs in the living space in the lounge kitchen area, lounge kitchen dining. So we figured we may as well do the ceilings first, get them ready and get rid of that dust. And then once the floors are all done, then the rooms will be ready just to put the finishing touches on. Because it could be a while until we get the floors done, only because of availability of trays. Sticky tape. The best way to remember which beams you've painted and where you're up to on that beam. Using clear, you can't really tell, so this good old sticky tape really helps. So we decided to stay with the same weathered look that we did in the master bedroom. One, for consistency, but it was also great to hear in your comments that you liked the weathered look. So we thought, well, we might be onto a bit of a winner, so we'll keep the weathered look throughout this floor. Downstairs in the living kitchen space, we may stain them a little darker just to make those areas look a little bit more formal, and they're already stained down in the entrance hall. So yeah, we might play with two different ceiling options. Tell us what you think in the comments, if you think we should keep them stripped back everywhere, or it would be a good idea downstairs to have a bit of a darker stain. And I'll insert a picture of what they look like in the entrance hall. We took a break and headed to Venice. We thought we'd share some of the spectacular sights of Carnivale.